So let me change this, the previous code into the comments by pressing Control and, backslash key. Now see, by adding that, so all turns to, the comments. Now, again, if you want to change it to the script again, which is a working script, Control A and Control. Okay, fine, perfect. So let me change it to the comments. Now, the concept is like, like how we define the variables, okay, and the statements to it. Like A is a variable equal to, I would like to store a number to it. So here, equal to is an assignment operator. Equal to is an assignment operator. Okay, and when I store 10 to this, restore 10 into this, what I'm saying. So this is called left operand. And after the equal to, we'll call it as a right operand. Left operand and right operand. Okay. So the 10 on the right hand side will be a value and A will be the variable. Okay. Clear? So B equal to, if I want to store some text, I will be using double quotations. So in Visual Studio Code, when you write once, when you hold the shift key and try to place the double quotations, it will take the second one right before and you can start writing automatically. Okay. So B equal to, let's say, Vimera. Something. Okay. Well, so C equal to, now I want to store a number with some decimal values. So 10 without any double quotations. The numbers, I mean, like here it's called an integer without a decimal value. Integer. Okay. So here 10.23. This is with the decimal value. So we'll call it as a double in Python. Here we'll call it as a float. Remember that. Okay. In Dynamo we have learned we'll call it as a double. But here we'll call it as a float. Okay. So D equal to, let's say, 10.25 J. What is this J? This is called complex number. It's called complex number. Okay. So we'll call it as a complex number. I'll show you like what is a storage type of it. Okay. So complex number. So what else we have? Integer is covered. String is covered. Double is covered. I mean, the float is covered. And the complex, this is a new one, which I really use it, but we haven't seen any in Dynamo. Okay. So I'll just store something like a boolean. So 3 RUE. In Dynamo, we have seen small t RUE, but in Python, it will be capital T. It will be capital T. Okay. So true. Now, this is called Boolean. It's a Boolean data type. So this is one data type. This is another data type. This is another data type. So this is string, as we know that. Okay. So integer, string, float, complex, and Boolean. Now let me check what is the type of it. Let's say type. Okay. Type of. I want to know what is the type of A. Type of here. Okay. So this is the function. This is the function with, with the brackets. Generally, we have a small difference. The functions will be like with the brackets. And we have one more. It's called a keyword. That would be like just like type. So there will be no, open brackets next to it. That we'll discuss in coming sessions. Okay. So type is a function. So inside a function, it needs an argument. So argument in the sense it's an input. It's an input. So type of A, okay, it's gonna get it. And type of B, it's gonna get that. Type of C, type of D, type of E. Okay, all fine. So when I run, do they print? No. No. Why? I didn't say that to print it into the terminal. So I'll say that print. Okay. So copy, paste, 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 and paste. So here I found something, the bracket which isn't which is opened. Okay. So that is in red color. Let me close it. Okay. Chance to yellow. Perfect. So it is calculating. It's calculating like how many open brackets are there and how many closed brackets are there. If I add in any open additional bracket, now it turns to the red. Is it clear? Perfect. So let me run now. See, the first one, the class is an integer. And the second one, the B is a string, float, and complex, and boolean. Clear? So this is the data types. This is a data types. Okay.